In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to withdraw your ZIRCUIT token from MetaMask to ByBit. This will also work from MetaMask to Binance, to Coinbase, whatever exchange you prefer. So the first step you need to do is go to app.circus.com/airdrop. I'll put a link to that down in the description down below. Then you need to click connect wallet inside of circus.com. Then you have done that, the website will say your wallet has been claimed. Number 3. Now from here you'll need to click MetaMask. Step 4. You'll need to log into your MetaMask wallet. Step 5. When you have clicked claim, you'll need to click add ZRC to your wallet. Step 6. Then from here you'll need to go to the site called owlto.finance. I'll also put that down in the description. Step 7. Connect your crypto wallet with the owlto.finance. Step 8. Now you'll need to bridge the tokens. You'll first need to click from and choose one of these networks to bridge from. You need to make sure that you have at least $5 worth of ETH before choosing a specific network, or the bridging will not work. So the bridged networks to choose from. You can either choose Arbitrum, LINEA, Base, ZK-Synth Era, or MANTA. When you have chosen a network, you'll need to click to and choose ZIRCUIT. Now you need to write in your desired amount you want to bridge. When you have written the amount, you'll need to click send. Then the website will start bridging your token. Now you can go to your wallet on MetaMask and see if you have ZIRCUIT inside of your wallet. When you can see you have ZIRCUIT inside your wallet, you'll need to send the ZIRCUIT token to your other wallet, which can be ByBit, Binance, Coinbase, etc. To do this, you'll find your ZRC wallet address on the specific exchange or wallet you have. For this example, I'm just going to use ByBit and copy it. Open MetaMask again and change the network to ZIRCUIT mainnet. Then you need to click on your ZRC and click send. Now you need to place in the address that you have copied from ByBit. Click next and type in the amount you want to send. You can also click send max if you want to send all of the ZIRCUIT tokens. Now you have successfully bridged ZIRCUIT tokens and transferred them from MetaMask to ByBit. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!